Hi friends, this is Subham and you are watching Subham Speaks. In the last video we discussed how to think in English. In this video we will discuss how to avoid 5 common errors that our learners commit very often. So without any delay, let's get started. How to avoid 5 common errors in English language. In this video, we are going to talk about some common errors that students make while speaking or writing English. But first, I would like to say one thing. Don't let the fear of errors stop you from speaking English. Remember, it is more important to communicate and practice your speaking even if it is not perfect. However, one of the fastest ways to correct your English errors is to focus on avoiding the most common mistakes which are made by English learners across the globe and at various levels. I will help you fix 5 common errors in this lesson. Number 1. The difference between haven't and don't have. I haven't a car is incorrect. The correct sentence is I don't have a car. When have is the main verb meaning possession, we use don't have or doesn't have. For example, I don't have any brothers. Raj doesn't have a dog. When have is the auxiliary verb, like in the present perfect, then we use haven't or hasn't. For example, I haven't finished my work yet. Raj hasn't taken the test. Number 2. Everybody like or likes. Everybody like the teacher is incorrect. The correct sentence is everybody likes the teacher. Everybody, anybody, somebody, and nobody all take the singular form of the verb. Everybody refers to many people, but it considers them as a group. Other words that refer to many people but take the singular form of the verb include team, family, staff, police, club, and class. Number 3. Indirect and direct objects. Rahul gave to Raj the keys is incorrect. The correct sentence is Rahul gave the keys to Raj or Rahul gave Raj the keys. Let us look at the parts of this sentence. Rahul is the subject, gave is the verb, the keys are the direct object, and Raj is the indirect object. In English, we can form the correct sentence in 2 ways. The indirect object often comes immediately after the verb. Subject, verb, indirect object, direct object. Rahul gave Raj the keys. We can also put the direct object first and a to before the indirect object. Rahul gave the keys to Raj. However, you can't put the indirect object first and use to. Number 4. Prepositions and verbs. They left without say goodbye is incorrect. The correct sentence is they left without saying goodbye. Verbs immediately following prepositions like before, after, since, when, while, despite, without, and for always take the ing form. Here are some examples. After graduating from college, she started working full-time. This course is great for improving your English. Number 5. Reported questions. He asked me where do I live is incorrect. The correct sentence is he asked me where I live. This sentence is an example of a reported question. We are talking about a question someone asked in the past. In reported questions, don't use the auxiliary verbs like do, does, did. Here is another example. They asked me what did I think is incorrect. The correct sentence is they asked me what I thought. In my years of experience as an English teacher, I have heard many of the same errors very frequently. So I'm sure you will find this video helpful in correcting some of the most common English errors made by the learners. For more videos relating to communication skills, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for all notifications. You may also like and share this video if you find it interesting. Links of the previous videos on communication skills are given in the description box. Thank you all for watching till the end of the video.